Okay, let's talk about sculpting in Cinema 4D. For going to the sculpt layout from standard to the sculpt. You can see we have object manager and sculpting layer here. These are properties. All of the tools are maintained here, but this remesh tool is at the first, it's very useful in sculpting, and all of the menus except these are the same, and but the toolbar menu change something like this that has a lots of brush here. For beginning, we can start from famous sphere, and of course you have to make it editable. For better seeing that, it's better to go into the lines. For beginning to sculpting, we need this button. It's very important. We need to subdivide it. If you click one, the base object 0 level of the mesh subdivision will be created, and you can see all of the tools will be shown here. If you click one, you can see it's subdivided more, subdivided more, subdivided more. You can see, you can go to the 1 million, 2 million polygon. It's enough to make it. And after that, you can simply go to some of these brushes and simply sculpt. I will be show all of these brushes one by one. Okay, and if you go to the any brushes here, you can see lots of setting of that brush here. That most of them are the same. That I will be explaining them one by one. This is on brush properties, and all of these important tools are here. Masking tools, baking tools, and some other tools are here. Okay, let's talk about this. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.